I'm super excited to share this one with you. It's how to use a Thai massage stick, quite like this, to give a foot massage that goes deep, that gets rid of stress, that feels incredible, and yet you don't use your thumbs at all, you don't really use your hands at all. That's what the stick's all about, so it makes it such a pleasure for you to give, and that is coming right up. So if you've been hanging out with me here on this YouTube channel, then you have probably already seen me use this massage stick as a self-massage tool, and I'm going to post some videos up above and down below that helps you to see different ways that you can use this stick. I am just so in love with the practical, versatile, and amazing ways that you can use a Thai massage stick to help you in your life, but also now let's take a look on how you can use it to help other people. All right, folks. My name is Shai. I'm the founder of the Still Light Center School of Thai Massage, and just before I show you this video, I just want to ask you, please, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and then click on the bell so that you get notifications every week when I post a new video. So if you are also new to this massage stick, just want to introduce this one to you again. So I'm going to post the links down below on how you can get this stick. And one reason I really love this stick, it's got a certain length that is really good, so even if you have a bigger hand, you can really wrap your hand around this stick and feel solid and feel how you can use it. It will last essentially forever. All you got to do to take care of it is really just wash it in between use, and whatever kind of soap you use, the important thing is just dry it right away because it is made out of wood, so as long as you keep it dry, it's going to be just fine. There is a big side to this stick, there is a narrow side to this stick. The narrow, pointy side is certainly going to be sharper and more precise when you apply pressure with it. The bigger side, a little bit lighter. So, as a general rule, I like to start either with the big side or the side near the big side in most cases, and you'll see as I teach you these techniques, there might be one or two little exceptions to that rule, but in general, it's always all about easing in. So easing in with lighter pressure or the wider side is just going to make a smoother transition as you give this massage. And I will also post a link up above and down below all about that easing in philosophy that's so central to how we teach here. But beyond that, really setting yourself up for this is just all about sitting comfortably and making sure that you're rocking so that you use your whole body. That when you want to apply pressure, you rock forward and then rock back when you want to ease out, and then just get into that rhythm, get into that flow, get their foot set up so that it's just a nice comfortable height for you, so that when you rock in, that stick is just at that good height that it just feels like everything is coming from your core. Now this is part 2 of a Thai foot massage sequence that I've been showing you, and in part 1 I show you how to use shea butter to help lather up and soften up and luxuriate the feet, and I do want you to use shea butter or some other kind of oil or cream that feels good for you and feels good for your partner that you can use on their feet. Now of course, check out that part 1 and I'll post the link up above and down below so that you can extend and give an even longer massage, but you can just start and just give just these techniques if you like, but you are going to want to put that shea butter on. It's going to make it so much better to slide and use and get the stick to get into all those great places. That being said, here, let's just check out these techniques and then meet back with me on the other end so that we can just talk just a little bit more. So remember, a lot of these first techniques, we're not using the tips, whether it be the head or the tail, we're using the sides of the stick. And to decide for what's going to fit in, is it going to be to use the side that's closer to the head, closer to the tail? That really depends on your client. When you scrape, you can really scrape all the way from the toes, along the instep, and then really all the way up the inside of the leg. And then let's bring the foot across, switch hands, and let's do the same thing on the lateral side, side of the toes, side of the foot, and then side of the leg. And from here, we're going to loop the toes. So we're going to take the side of the stick, start on the side of the big toe, and on the top, and then really come on in between. Toes and the base of the toes represent the head and the neck of the body, so it's such a great thing to do. It's just, the only thing is you have the hardness of your stick and the hardness of the bones, so we're not going to go too deep or too fast, but we are going to make some nice contact all along and all in the spaces in between the toes here. And Felicia's got a lot of space between her toes. It's really easy for me to put the side of the head, the wider side between the toes, and that'll feel good. But you don't want to force that. If someone has a lot less space, use the side that's more narrow. Up to you. Still using that nice rocking motion. And then from here, the flip-flop. So I can bend the toes back just a little bit and then come with my stick from just at the base between the first and the second toe down and under the ball of the foot on one side a few times. And then across onto the other side. So first I start on the medial side, and I'm coming across on the lateral side. Nice cello, back and forth, across the middle of the foot. And just engaging and warming up that whole center part of the foot. Then we're going to build the 3 or 4 pillars. So again, use the side of the stick that makes sense to you. Start close to the ball of the foot, and then draw the stick down. And as you're letting the stick sink in, remember to rock into it. So again, you might find 3 or you might find 4 paths to take. What's more important than that number is just being with it and sinking in and rocking and enjoying. And you may choose to do each one a few times consecutively or kind of go back and forth. I suggest that when there's a lot of tension in the foot, going back and forth is going to be easier. If you want it to take it a little deeper, then stay on each line for a few times in a row. Or mix it up. And then we'll make a teepee. So starting at where the heel meets the rest of the foot, find 3 directions to make nice lines on the heel. Do that a few times, and then we'll do our I love you. So again, interlace your fingers through as many toes as you can. Be like your own pair of yoga toes. And then I, coming down the side of the big toe. L, down the side of the toe and to the base of the toe. And U, down and across and under the ball of the foot and back up. One more time. I love you.
I hope you're as excited to give this massage as I am to show it to you. In fact, I actually had an internal debate going on about if I should actually show you this as like a free video on YouTube, because I just know that it's so effective and like, oh, maybe I should sell this or something like that. But the truth of the matter is, my commitment is to you to help people who want to help themselves, to help other people through massage, to help unlock
your heart, to help unlock the power of touch and know what that's all about, and just spread that. And so from my heart, I offer this to you. I am telling you that it is a life-changing massage. You can help so many people to just relax, to get rid of tension, so many issues that go on up in the legs and in the back and in the shoulders. It all happens and originates from the feet. When we walk in shoes that don't support us, when we don't have good posture and put that kind of pressure on our feet, when we have stress and tension from standing for hours or even for sitting for hours, and we hold that in our feet, it just builds from there and it travels all the way up in our body, and then we start feeling it in our necks and in our shoulders and in our backs, etc. So doing good things from the feet is like basically solidifying and strengthening and relaxing the foundation so that everything else can operate more and more fluidly and better and better and better. So that's my wish to you. Get out there, go give some amazing massages, see how great it is, and then just keep on practicing and learning. And if you want to keep on learning, just come back here, check out the playlist, keep seeing and practicing and doing all the good things you can do. Subscribe to the channel, and then go and visit the website, because if you want to go deeper, I've got courses that are both online and offline that will help take you where you need to go, and that is at stilllightcenter.com. My name again is Shai Plonski, and I want to wish you some amazing massages, and we'll see you soon. Namaste.